Welcome to the tutorial number 11. From this video, our journey of 3D modeling begins. After watching this video, you will have a knowledge about Extrude Boss base feature. So in the previous videos, we have discussed about the sketch features. From this video, we start with this feature tab. Here, as you can see, it has Extruded Boss base, Revolved Boss base, Swept Boss base, Lofted Boss base, and so on. So to start with, we draw a sketch. We'll draw a rectangle. Let's also draw a circle. You can even draw a slot. You can draw anything you want. You can even draw a triangle if you want. So now, as we have drawn our sketches, we can use the extruded boss space feature by exiting this sketch from here and then going to feature and selecting extruded boss space. But you can also go directly from without exiting a sketch from here features. You can see here swept boss space, revolved boss space, and extruded boss space have been activated. We can use these three features for now. So we select extruded boss base here, and now you can see this is the preview of the 3D models which will be created. So this arrow here which you can see is used to increase the height or distance of the extrusion you want. You can go do it from both the sides, whichever you want. And as you can now we come on to this left side, and as you can see here, this is written as blind. Blind is this like this only. As you can see, you can extrude wherever you want on the top side or the bottom side. And using this arrow button helps really when you want to draw a fast sketch and you don't have accurate dimensions. So it helps that time. So when you click on this drop down menu, now you see few different ways of extrusion. This is up to vertex. It is when like you have some other surface above this and you want to model. Sorry, if you have some other model above this and you want to extrude to that the vertex of that model, you select that. Then the next is up to surface. Like if there's a surface above this and you extrude it, it extrudes accordingly. So now if you want to, you can put the distance here. Like if I want to extrude it till 70 mm, so I put 70 mm in this blind extrusion. Now what you can see here is the reverse direction. If you press this, the extrusion is direction has been reversed, as you can see. Now we go on the mid plane. In this mid plane, the extrusion has been, occurs on the both sides of the sketch. Like the distance we are given 70 millimeters, so both sides of the 70 meters total will be extruded. Now, as you can see, there was a direction tool tab here, which has been disabled now because in this mid plane, both the extrusion directions have equal length. As the name suggests, it's the mid plane. Now, as we go on to blind, we can also turn this on direction by clicking it on, and then we can put in the direction we want. Like if I want 20 millimeters, so I put it there, 20 millimeters. Now I press OK here. So now it has been extruded, as you can see. Now you can also edit your features, boss extrude features, by clicking on it, and you go on this edit feature. Now you can edit it. So this option here is the draft option. When you click on this draft option, you need to specify an angle. Suppose I give 20 degrees angle here. So now it extrudes with an angle here, as you can see in the figure there. And you can also put in the draft for the second direction, but I'm just leaving it, letting it be. Now I press OK. See. Now I'll edit this once more, show you one other thing. Now, as you can see, this is selected contours. Now, in this, what happens is if you have like on a plane, you have 4 to 5 sketches, close sketches, but you only want to extrude 2 or 3 of them, or like only one of them. So you select this contour here, contours here like this. If I want to only extrude this circle, I just click on it. It gets extruded. If I only want to extrude this rectangle, then I select it and press OK, and it will get extruded there. But I'll just extrude all of these first. And there's another option here known as draft outwards. So when you click draft outwards, it drafts like this. It extrudes like this. And as you can see, the preview here shows that because it's merging in this, because not enough gap. Now press OK here. Now the extrusion has been completed. So now the other part is also that I can even sketch on these surfaces of these models. Like if I want to sketch on this model and do and use any feature, like if I want to cut something, I even want to extrude a 3D surface on this surface, I can do that. If click on the surface, now you can see here is one is the edit sketch, another one is the sketch. Edit sketch, when you select, you can edit your previous sketch by which you extruded this. Then you go on this sketch to create a new sketch. Now you can see this blue surface, and here the exit on and OK the sketch one. So now we go on normal 2. Now we can draw, like if you want a circle, we can draw a circle at the center like this. I press OK. Now if I want to like extrude from this, I could have extruded anything. I'll show you. Selected. If I want to extrude something, select it. See. Now this is written as merge result. I'll show you this. See. Now if I press tick mark here, now you can see here is part 1 itself. Right? Only part. When I go on this edit feature and I remove this merge result and I press OK. Now in these solid bodies, previously it would have been 4 itself. Now there are 5 parts in these solid bodies. Boss extrude 1, 2, 3, 4, and this. Now when I like, I'll show it again. If I click merge result, this will be merged with this boss extrude. Now you can see here only 4. Now when I click on this surface, now here you can't see a sketching option because we can't sketch on this surface and extrude something from this surface. Now if I select on this, see there is a sketch option. I can just select this and draw a sketch, whatever sketch I want. Accordingly, I can draw it. And then I'll exit the sketch. So now you can also change your orientation as you want. If you want isometric, you can go isometric like this. You can even change the display style. So this will be it for this video. Do check out the description box for quiz and answer them in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to Start Scratch and check out our other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content.